Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The question of today is, what sport do you play, or what sport would you like to play? Leave your comments down below. Okay, now let's get to the video. I love you, my sweet little birdie, Lila. Wait, is it Layla? I love you. Hey Layla, wake up, birdie. Oh, whoops. Oopsies. Layla, wake up, Layla. I got your seeds and everything ready. Hi. Go. Come on, Layla, let's play. Okay, Tag, you're it. Hey. Hey. Hey, that's not fair. I can't fly. Ah. Oh, oopsies. Hey, Sarah. Yeah, what happened? I'm playing here with Layla. Do you want to go to the park with Layla? Maybe go for a walk or something like that. I don't know. We just adopted her, you know. I want to have some home time with her. Are you sure? Oh, and also, I bought something that might convince you. Look, I bought new bikes, purple and pink. Oh my gosh, they're so cute and pretty. So, what do you say? Do you want to go out? I don't know. I want to still have some home time. Okay, we can go tomorrow maybe? Yeah, sure. Okay, I have to charge my phone. It's red. Okay, let me charge it. Ooh, I might change the screen, like the photo I have. Okay, come on, Lily. I want to take a nap? Okay. I want to watch some YouTube. To lay on my bed and watch some nice YouTube. Yay. Actually, I'm going to play on my dollhouse. I had watched the phone enough. I have to charge my phone. I'll just plug it right here. Okay. Now, I will also maybe just change it. I'm close to it, so I'll change it. Okay. There you go. Now I'll just wait for it to charge. I love the little kitty. I am going to do my facial. And let me change my outfit to something more comfy and comfortable. Not really this. Maybe this. I like to wear this outfit. It's nice. I like the flip-flops. And now let me just test. Is my phone already charged? I love this one. It charges so well and really fast. Time to watch some facials and all that kind of stuff. Cute. Time to play Kuromi. Let's see, who do I want to play with, the main characters? Maybe not Kuromi. I want, my Melody and Cinnamoroll. Hi, Kuromi. Hi, Cinnamoroll. Oh, hey, my Melody. Hey, Cinnamoroll. Hello. What? Hello. Let's sit in the sofa. Okay. Hey, can I join? What about me? Oh, you know what? I would better go and stand on the table again. Hey, don't stand on the table. Oopsies. Hey, I want to lay on the table. I'll sit down. Ooh, I have the sofa now. Oh, let me lay on the sofa. Hey, I wanted the sofa all by myself. Sorry, but not today. Ooh, I want to take a nap. Huh? What happened, Layla? Are you okay? Are you hungry? I think you're hungry. Here. Give you your food. You can eat. Okay, you're nice and full. What if we read my magazines? Here, Layla, read. You can read this one, and I will read this one. Huh? This is so cool. Look at this ramen, Layla. Doesn't it look yummy? Oh wow, that's actually a pretty cute hairstyle. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Like, this is a different kind of ramen. I want ramen. I will ask Violet. You want to come with me? Okay, come on. Oh, wait, I'll bring this to show her what I want. Hey, Violet. Ah! Ah! Oh, sorry, I didn't see. Didn't you see the tag that said sleeping? But you're not sleeping. I know, but it's fine. Okay, what do you want? I want some ramen. Look at this ramen. It's making me hungry. And also Layla wants some. Ramen? We could order some ramen, I guess. Yeah, sure, why not? We hadn't ate ramen in a really long time. So yeah, I will order right now. Yay, ramen. Are you excited, Layla? Come on. I'm so excited. I want to eat a kiwi because I'm really hungry. I know, what if I bring it to school? I could show you to my friends. You don't think it's a good idea? Well, you're right. It wouldn't be a good idea. You could maybe get hurt or they could do something. So I'll keep you here, but don't worry. After school, like, today's Sunday, so after tomorrow, I will come back, okay? Ooh, wait. Can I put you this? Never mind. I can put it on me. It will be funny. You're still hungry? Okay, I can give you some more food, I guess. It won't hurt you. It's basically already lunch anyways. Here you go. You want to sleep in my bed? What if you sleep in your bed? I'm actually kind of tired too. Okay, I ordered the ramen. Here's some I ordered myself beef and she will get chicken. Okay, now I just have to wait until it gets here. Okay. Oh, and I will take a shower right now. So, oh wait, wrong. Put on this and leave this right here. Try this one. This one here. Okay, I'm taking a bath right now. Shower, I mean, and yeah. I think after my shower, the food will be ready, and they will come probably. Let me put some soap on the loofah. 15 minutes late. Oh, I think that's the food. Okay, I'm glad. I'm already done. So let me put on my robe. Close there. Pizza? Who ordered pizza? There's only 1 cup of noodles. Well, this is strange. Well, I could eat the pizza. She probably wants the ramen. So let me see. Since when do they put pasta in a pizza box? Well, it's fine. At least I got my pasta. Let me put this on my bed and give this to her. Space noodles. Well, oh, that's a nice packaging. Okay, let me give it to her. Sarah. Oh, she's sleepy. Okay, well, she can wait. Okay, oh, whoops. She can find it. I will leave her right. Yeah, right here. Okay. I'm going to go and eat my noodles. Oh, tasty. I'm done. Huh? My ramens are here. Layla, look. Ramen. Space noodles, chicken flavor. Here, let's try some. Whoa, this is so cool. I'm gonna try it. It's so good. Try it. Yum, yum, yum. That was so good. Oh, you're still hungry? It's dinner already? Wow. It's okay. Here. We don't have any more food. Violet! Violet! Oh. Violet! Violet! What happened? We have no more food. That's why you're shouting so much? Yes, we have no more food. You know we can just go and buy some, right? Oh. Well, we still have no more food. It's okay. I can go shopping tomorrow since it's almost dark, you know? Actually, it's already kind of nighttime. Why don't you get ready for bed? Aww. Okay, I'll give you, after you get ready, I'll give you like 10 minutes more. Yay, okay. Woohoo. Okay, I'm going to get ready into my pajamas. And then I'll get 10 more minutes and I'll be all ready. Oops, wrong clothes. I'm gonna put on this one. Okay. Yay! Okay, take out my clips. Okay, come on, Birdie. Do you want to sleep already? I think that's a yes. You know what? If you sleep early, I will sleep early. Good night. I will get ready too. Wait, this is right here. Here. I'll get my into my eyes, and I'll go and say goodnight to Sarah. Oh, she's already sleeping. Well, I'll give her on. Okay, good night. Good night, Birdie. Good night, Layla. Go to bed. This away and then... Okay, Okay, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked the and see you guys next time. Bye.